So I do believe by this time you want to order your WordPress hosting. So I'm going to walk you through how to order the most affordable, cheap WordPress hosting. Along the line, I will make sure that you get a 25% discount or a very favorable discount for yourself. So I want you to work with me here. So to get started, go to www.digmacab.co.za/hosting. There we go. So you come across a page like this. Then what you have to do is just click visit website. There you're going to get started. My thinking is now currently you want to definitely order your new WordPress hosting package, and you are considering a lot more options. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk you through, we will discuss the packages, their differences, their advantages, their disadvantages. I will also then demonstrate how to open an account, how to make your payment, and in the next tutorial, I will demonstrate how to install a new WordPress website and how to build your own WordPress website from scratch. So let's get started. So here we go. Here we have 3 packages. The first package is the code package, which is only $59.95 per month. If you add a domain, which is something like 90 Rand, it will add up to something like, let's say 150 or less than that, 140, between 140 and 150 thereby. So the code package is only 512 megabytes in disk space. Bandwidth, which is the amount of traffic which your website can receive, is unlimited, and it allows you to install one website. So it is also the latest cPanel with Softaculous, which the cPanel and Softaculous, those are the hints, or those are the engines that will make it easy for you to install your own new WordPress website. So the next package is the main package, which is 4 gigabytes in terms of space, unlimited bandwidth. Can allow you to host 3 websites there, a .co.za domain, and a cPanel. So the price is 89 Rand 95 for the hosting only. You will see that if you add a domain, the price will slightly, because a domain is 90 Rand. So it will slightly go up, but per month you will only pay this much. And here you are only going to pay that much. So I think 4 gig is pretty much fair. If I were you, depending with your budget, I would choose this one, the 18 Rand, 9 Rand per month option. Then the reseller, in most cases for those people who are planning to resell website hosting, or you might want to have a lot of websites. So this one, 20 gigabytes, but I think it's too small for a reseller. 10 cPanel accounts, unlimited email accounts, and cPanel. So cPanel with Softaculous. So that's the same across the packages. So 10 cPanel accounts, it means you can host up to 10 people or 10 websites there, or up to 10 people can have accounts in your reseller, or you can put 10 websites for your own there. So that's the work on the packages. So let me then try to do a demo on how to order your own hosting account. Let me just quickly look for an email which I haven't used yet. Let's check and see which email. Chances are I have used that one. Let's see this one. Okay. Let me just copy and paste. There we go. Okay, so this one I hadn't used this one. So now I want to order a new website. There's various ways to get started. You can maybe you want this package, you just go to order now. So the name of the site is gonna be WordPress. The domain, this is your domain name or your website address, your desired website address. So we check if this one is available. It's unavailable. This okay. So if it's unavailable, try to change synonyms. So you can see the price for the domain is 90 Rand. If I were to consider maybe extensions which are none other than the .co.za, if I wanted a .com, it was going to be 215 for domain alone. If I wanted to be .net, those are the prices. So I think .co.za is okay for a South African business and also cheaper. So we go ahead. So the total price now is 113.94 Rand, which is, I think, okay. So now the total is 203.94. But mind you, if you chose the other option, the code package, the cost will be lower than this. It will be maybe around 130 or 150 there. So it only depends with the type of package which we decided to use. So I'll go on. You punch in your details here. Mine are already pre-filled. Your province. I choose a very strong password. And then the most important thing is the security question. Yes, they will use it when you forgot your password or you have a problem with your account, then they would need you to confirm this. So I always use this one. My favorite pet was called Bruno. I miss that guy. He was a very good dog of mine. That was my most favorite dog ever. I cherish that dog. It was so good with me everywhere. We walked through valleys, nights, through the rain, everything. He never left me alone. He always made sure that I'm okay enough of my dog. So we complete order. Unfortunately, I missed details here. Let's see. I've already okay. I had used the email which I already used before, which means I have to repeat the password thing. Okay, I hate repeating. In most cases, I end up quitting. I almost quit doing this tutorial. I'll be serious. Okay, so we complete the order. So what I like about Stallion Host is they give you 3 ways to pay: as bank transfer, the pay fast way, which is your normal debit card payment, and also PayPal. So I'm gonna demonstrate a bank transfer. In case you don't have a bank account, or you are someone suspicious of online payments, you would like to deposit through an ATM, you go to an FNB ATM. The most important things you will need from your invoice are this: your account number, and the most important thing will be your reference number. This is the one which points your site to your payment to your account. So it's very important. So you make sure that you put it across well. So the account name is now is Stallion Host, Stallion Hosting. So you check those details to make sure that they're correct, or you can pay using these details. Daniel Wall, payee name. I think they have changed. Okay, but it's still okay. So after that, after you are done paying your payment via the ATM, I strongly encourage you to send proof of payment. You just take your bank slip, your ATM slip, and then take a picture and send the proof of payment to this number, saying find this as proof of payment of account. Then you put your reference number there. This will speed up the approval of your account, although it will still be approved maybe in a day or 2. But I strongly encourage, if you want to do your things fast, that's the fastest way. So that after that we have an account here. So you can see we are inside our account now. So the first thing, obviously, services. After it's approved, you will see that you have one service here, you have one domain here. Tickets if you request for help, you will see pending tickets here. Invoices, self-explanatory. So you have your cPanel here to log into your cPanel. So let me show you how cPanel looks like in case you have done a payment. So after your payment has been approved, then in your account, from this part, you discover that there is a way to log into your cPanel, and you come into your cPanel. Here, that's where you are able to install WordPress via the Softaculous app installer. You can come. I will demonstrate all this when we are creating a new WordPress on the next tutorial. So there is a good reason to subscribe, to like, comment, and share. Don't forget to use the link to purchase your web hosting so that you can get a favorable discount. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see how I create a website or how I install a new WordPress, please consider subscribing and clicking that bell icon. The next video is surely going to be a tutorial about all those things.